isn't it?
Dr. Raj, orthopedic surgeon and fitness expert, is here. Form, how are we looking?
Pretty good. Keep on going. You get 20 more.
All right, coming back after the break. Not only how to get the abs, J-Lo's legs, and what, Madonna's arms?
Madonna's arms, yes.
Sweet. I can't wait. I feel the burn. 123, 24.
Keep going.
Dr. Raj is here, orthopedic surgeon. Now, we're talking fitness, and we do a lot of fitness here on the show. Form is the correct, the thing we're focusing on here, because it's really easy to mess up the technique.
Oh, absolutely. I mean, form is the biggest reason I have people coming in to see me, because we have our classic weekend warriors who come in and do these techniques wrong. For example, when you're doing these bicycles for your obliques, the biggest thing is to have your back flat. If your back's not flat, you're putting too much forces on your lower back, and you can have low back pain.
Because I always feel the arch when I'm doing them, so I cheat a little bit. So keep the back flat as one. So the bicycle, you say, are good for the obliques. What's the other one to get the Matthew McConaughey abs?
Matthew McConaughey abs. Okay. For the lower abs, it's the leg lift. So I want you to straighten your legs and then lift them up and allow me to push them down. Now, tighten them as I'm pushing them down.
And exhale.
So just 100 more.
Now, how many, I'm already feeling that, how many on a daily basis should we be doing to get the result? Well,
it's not getting the result. I mean, let's face it, you're not going to get Matthew McConaughey abs by just doing crunches or leg lifts. It's all about diet. I mean, you're strengthening your muscles, but we all have a layer of fat. A lot of us have a layer of fat in front of our abs. So behind that layer of fat is our rectus abdominis. Now, we have to clean our diet and lose weight and get down to less than 12% body fat in order to be able to see that six-pack.
So we're talking diet, we're talking nutrition, a big aspect, and correct technique. So those are some good exercises for the abs. Genevieve, our producer, is here. I'm already sweating from the first one. Let's talk about the arms and common errors people are making in the gym with the arm exercises.
Okay, so everyone wants to get Madonna's arms, and you know, your arms comprise of your biceps, triceps, and your shoulders, and the definition is so important. Now, first of all, bicep curls. Your biceps are only 16% of your arms. The biggest thing is don't swing when you do a curl. So Genevieve, show me. So you see her arms are binded to her body, so it's all isolating just the biceps. The second biggest tip is when she comes up, come up quickly and then go down slowly. When you go down and elongate this muscle, you actually put 150 times the force, increased force on that muscle, so you build it up that much more. It's called eccentric strengthening.
A lot of guys I see, and a lot of people in the gym, kind of give the swing when they're doing the bicep curl just to get the extra pump up. Is that good or bad?
That's bad, because once you do the swing, you actually cause potential damage to your elbow and shoulder. So it's very important, controlled contraction and slow down.
Okay. Good one to consider for the arms. And you got some for you got another point you want to throw?
The second point, for triceps, the biggest secret to arms is your triceps are about 84% of your whole arm. So if you don't work your triceps, you're not going to have big arms. So Genevieve, I just want to show, just come this way. Okay, so you see how her arm's tilted back?
Yep.
Now when she brings her arms up, I want you to lock it. When you lock it at this point, you feel a burn right here. I'm sorry.
You feel that burn, Genevieve? She feels burn. These weights are heavy
this V right here. So that's one of the biggest tricep exercises. A lot of times people don't lock it, and when they don't lock it, they cheat, and they lose out on building up this part of the triceps, the distal or lower half. Final aspect is for the arms is the shoulder. Big deltoids show, define your arms much more. So when you do shoulder presses, you start at the bottom, go all the way down, and then go all the way up. With a low weight, like 8 pounds, you can't injure yourself. So do as many as you can. Perfect, great form.
And follow through. Okay, so listen, these are great tips. We want to get into the J-Lo legs. I tell you what, we'll get James, our behind-the-scenes producer, to do the J-Lo legs a little bit. Web exclusive. Dr. Raj, thanks very much for the tips. G, you feel good?
Great. Wonderful.
You look good, too.
Oh, thank you.
Keep working those Madonna arms. Shelby, McDermott?
Yes, I was taking notes.
I'm still sweating from these ab exercises.
I'm sweating just watching you guys. Okay, let's get into the commute and talk traffic. I hear you laughing, Donaldson.